Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HUAWEI Nova Y90, and now I will show you how to set up and how to install free VPN on this device. Firstly, you need to open your web browser and open HUAWEI.io website. Thanks to this website, we can see how all websites see our location. In my case, it's Poland, and it's true. But now, open App Gallery and find here Turbo VPN. Find the app with the rabbit and icon and click install. Click open. Click agree. Click the cross button on the right top corner and cool. As you can see here, we have the globe button. By clicking on it, we can choose the country we want to connect to. For example, if you want to connect to Germany, click Germany and choose any of three VPN servers. Servers with the crown icon are paid. So you can choose the country to connect to, or you can choose smart location to connect to nearest and fastest server. So click on smart location, click OK, wait a while, and cool, VPN works. So let's check how websites see our location now. Reload to ap.io website, reload it, scroll down, and as you can see, we are in the United States now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.